everyone. First of all, thank you for coming here today. Let me start by introducing myself. My name is Irana Salsabila. And my status is 2024-013-067. And I study in civil engineering study for engineering building university. The title of today my presentation is High-rise building design, challenge and solution. The presentation is part of our English for Communication class. So, what is a high-rise building? High-rise is a building with manifold superfund networks for the cities. They are often for office, apartment, and hotel. Why do we build high-rise? Mainly because the save space in area where land is limited. By building upward instead of outward, we can provide more using office space in a small area. Designing high-rise building is not easy. There are several challenges. First, they must resist strong wind and earthquakes. Second, they need to have safe emergency exits in case of fire or danger. Third, they are often use a lot of energy, which is not good for the environment. To solve this problem, engineering and architects use smart solutions. First, they use strong materials like steel and concrete to make the building stable. Two, they install solar panel and use smart ventilation system to save energy. Three, they also use smart planning tools like building information modeling to design better and safer buildings. Here are two examples of famous high-rise buildings. One, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, which is the tallest building in the world. Two, the Shanghai Tower in China, which is known for its eco-friendly design. In conclusion, high-rise building must be safe, efficient, and eco-friendly. Thanks to technology and modern design, many of the challenges can be solved. Thank you for listening to my presentation. If you have any question, I'll be happy to answer them. Mayan